Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Today, we're taking a closer look at Morgan Stanley, a global financial services firm with a rich history and a broad reach. Their website, found at www.morganstanley.com, serves as a comprehensive portal to the company's diverse offerings and expertise. Navigating through the site, you'll discover a wealth of information tailored to individual investors, institutional clients, and corporations alike. Whether you're exploring wealth management solutions, delving into investment banking opportunities, or researching global market insights, the website provides a valuable resource for staying informed. Morgan Stanley's online presence reflects its commitment to providing clients with access to cutting-edge tools, market analysis, and a team of seasoned professionals. Beyond the standard financial products and services, the website offers a deeper look into Morgan Stanley's commitment to sustainability and its impact on communities worldwide. They highlight their dedication to responsible investing, diversity and inclusion, and philanthropic endeavors, demonstrating a holistic approach to business. Furthermore, the platform features resources for current and prospective employees, showcasing the company's culture and career opportunities. From experienced professionals to recent graduates, Morgan Stanley presents a range of paths for those seeking a career in finance. The site's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation, providing quick access to vital information, including contact details, investor relations materials, and the latest news and announcements. For anyone seeking a comprehensive understanding of Morgan Stanley's capabilities and commitment to its clients and the global community, a visit to www.morganstanley.com is an excellent starting point. They offer a wealth of knowledge, highlighting their comprehensive range of financial services, from wealth management and investment banking to research and trading. With a focus on providing innovative solutions and building long-term relationships, Morgan Stanley positions itself as a trusted partner for individuals, businesses, and institutions across the globe. So, take the time to explore their website and discover what Morgan Stanley can offer you.